So this is for all my fellow swimmers out there. Went back to the pool today, hadn't been in a really long time. Physical therapy finally gave the okay for me to get back and do whatever I thought my body was up to. And so I came out here this morning to go swimming. Figured it'd be a good non-weight bearing activity, get my body going again, get the muscles working, and yep, long course. I had a little bit more of a workout than I bargained for. So hope to get back in here again tomorrow. Bye-bye.